Alright, today I'm just going to be doing a quick instructional video on how to replace the hood shocks in a 98 to 2001 Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer. So, it's a super simple video, super simple task. Basically, you're going to want to come in here and you're going to want to pop off these clips right here. You just get a screwdriver right under there and you clip it off. Same with down under here, and then you just pop the new ones back on. It's super simple, it's super easy to do. Right now I just have mine propped open with the screwdriver right there, but I will start work on that and I will be right back with you. So after you get the metal bands pried up just like that, all you gotta do is give it a nice stout pull and it comes right off. The new one just pops right on there, and there you go. Quick, easy, and simple. Pretty much any of these older vehicles like this, it's pretty much a guarantee that you're going to have to replace those shock struts.